As we work to continue improving reading skills in the middle and high school grades, we're going to share a way to teach vocabulary in a meaningful way. So kids learn to spell through sound and letter correspondence. Memorizing doesn't teach kids how to spell, pronounce, or remember the meaning of words. We want kids to map these words to their memory so that they can retrieve them always. So here you're going to see a list of grade 6 science words for living systems, and we're going to talk about the word chlorophyll today. We're going to actually start with showing the kids how this is spelled, and we're doing this because this is an incredibly difficult word for kids to spell because lots of the letters and sounds are doing things that they wouldn't normally do. So we're going to talk about first how many sounds do we hear in this word. So they're going to go through k, or, o, o. So I think they might say they're going to hear 8 sounds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to talk about how these letters then are making those sounds. So the first thing they're going to hear is the k, k, k. So they're going to say that, but they're probably not hearing the h, h, h. So they might have skipped that. So we're going to be able to talk about how that CH goes together and is making that k, k sound. Then they're going to hear the L. They were probably just blending the CL, chlor, but we're going to we talk about how the CH is there. Chlor, L, or are controlled, and then O again. We're going to use the PH together, that makes a sound, and we're going to talk about the Y, making the sound, and we're going to talk about the double consonant at the end. Double consonant at the end because it's a multi-syllable word that has one vowel, one consonant, and then you would double the consonant. That's the rule. Here, our Y could have been a I. Maybe some kids would have said it's an E, L. No, definitely an I. So that could be what you'd have here. The PH, what other letters can make the F sound? So kids are going to come up with the F and the FF. This is really powerful for our students who do struggle with spelling, but also maybe think about your EAL learners, your ELL learners who are doing this as a second language and they're just experimenting with sounds and letter correspondence. And then when we go back here to our CH, typically kids see CH and they think ch, 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 but here we have the sound. So what other letters could possibly make the k sound? And kids will probably talk about the K. They might even talk about a CK together, but we'll know that that doesn't come at the beginning of a word. So they'll talk about the K that might be there.